If you're looking for replacement parts, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon UK Electronics. Mobile phone accessories, replacement parts, best sellers 2017. Number 1, by LL Trader. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Tic-Tac. Number 3, by LL Trader. For more info about these best sellers, just click the circle. Number 4, by Annke. Number 5, by LCD World. Find these replacement parts at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Oypla. Number 7, by Tic-Tac. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by LL Trader. Number 9, by Sadan. Discover more replacement parts ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Savfi.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.